Hey there, Jai Shri Krishna to all of you. Hail Shri Kamadhenu, hail Shri Giriraj. Basically, I'm trying to improve my English language day by day. So if you find any mistake in my word or in my sentence, please let me know in the comments. I will learn it and correct it. So let's start. Here, today I'm gonna tell you a small story about the young depressed guy who is a young boy who is very depressed. A young boy, successful in his life, in his study, and in his future also. He has everything in his life what he wants. Still, he is in depression. And one day, one touch changed his life completely. And from the day of depression, he jumped to the positive thoughts. And he started thinking that I did not pray that day. I did not go to the temple that day. I did not chant any mantra that day. Still, my life keeps changing. What happens that day? I only touched the mother cow and my life began to change. What a miracle! What a miracle happened in my life. Gopal was a successful young boy. Good in job, good in career, good in study, but inside he is empty. Inside he feels restless. Inside he feels nothing. He was tired completely by mind, by body, by thoughts, by energy, by everything. Every night he asked himself one question. I have everything, a good car, a good job, a good house, a good living lifestyle, a lavish luxury. Then also, why I am not happy? Why I am sad every time? Why I am restless every time? Why I feel empty inside? Why does it feel still, incomplete inside? One evening while driving home, his car suddenly stopped near a small village. No signal, no help. Annoyed and frustrated, he stepped out from his car. That's when he saw a mother cow. A mother cow is standing near the roadside. Her eyes were very calm and deep and also understanding. And for no reason at all, Gopal walked towards the mother cow. And for no reason at all, Gopal walked towards the mother cow. Someone from the village whispered, Dear, she is our mother cow. She is the Gaumata. She is our mother. She gives us everything what we want in our life. Gopal smiled politely. He was modern. He was modern, logical, practical. Then suddenly something strange happened. The mother cow comes slowly towards the Gopal. She did not demand anything. On impulse, something has happened he could not explain. Gopal placed his hand on the mother cow. Gopal placed his hand on the mother cow. He touched the mother cow. His breath slowed down. His racing thoughts stopped out. And suddenly he filled with tears. Why am I crying? He thought. No pain, no sadness, no restlessness. Only relief. Only positive energy he is gaining. He felt like someone is accepting him without any expectation, without any conditions, the way he is. A village elderly softly said, Dear, when you touch the mother cow, you do not touch an animal, you touch the mother. You touch the mother of all the universe. You touch the creation of God. You touch the divine embodiment of God. You touch the patience, purity, and forgiveness together. That night, Gopal slept better than he had a years. No anxiety, no tension, no pain, no depression. Only a relief, only positive thoughts, only with the positive minds, not any nightmares. The next morning, he returned to that village with the roti for the mother cow. He fed the roti to the mother cow with love and devotion. And slowly Gopal's life started shifting, not magically, not miraculously, but meaningfully. His anger started reduced. His health started improved. His relationship started softened. One day during meditation, one thought struck his mind. All this time I was touching money, power and pride. But the day I touched compassion itself, my soul woke up. And the compassion is the mother cow itself. Gopal realized something powerful. The cow is not demanding anything from us. The cow is not taking anything from us. She is giving blessings to us. The moment when we touch the mother cow, we feel secure, we feel loved, and we feel free. When you touch the mother cow, you are not touching an animal. You are touching a silence in noisy world. You are touching a quiet in chaotic world. Hands that touch the Gaumata with respect, he slowly stop hurting others. The cow teaches us without words how to live, how to give, and how to forgive. And changing thoughts of Gopal's now says that people keep asking the Gopal that who changed your life? Gopal smiles and reply that not any temple changed my life. Gopal smiles and reply that not any temple changed my life. The road where I touched the mother cow itself is changed my life, and at that day that day when I touched the mother cow started changing my life. And the mother cow started changing my life. And the mother cow is a miracle in my life. And the mother cow started changing my life, changing my thoughts, changing my lifestyle. We everybody try to love the mother cow, not superstition, but with the surrender. When we bow down towards the mother cow, we bow down indirectly the 33 million demigods. Touch the mother cow with love and devotion and listen carefully what the mother cow is trying to tell us. And it is how the mother cow changed the Gopal's whole life by the one touch. We pray that we can touch a Gaumata every day. And it is how the mother cow changed the Gopal's whole life by the one touch. Our life also will be the change by the one touch of the mother cow. So start touching the mother cow, start playing with the mother cow. The mother cow gives blessings to all of us. Now that's it for today. Keep listening to the story of a mother cow. The mother cow will bless all of us. Jai Shri Krishna to all of you. Hail Shri Kamadhenu.